Happy Tuesday, my friends. Welcome back to another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay and I'm always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs available, and I make daily videos bringing those job leads to you. So make sure those notifications are turned on so you never miss another upload. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Simply Insured. They provide small business health insurance. They are hiring a data entry associate. This is remote work from home within the United States. They offer a competitive salary of $15 an hour with a $2,000 annual bonus and clear career progression ladder so you can advance and get raises and more bonuses and higher level job titles. They do provide free company paid health insurance as well as stock option packages. Now we'll just go through this one real quickly. They are looking for someone to be a critical member of the revenue operations team who will be responsible for small business applications for health, dental, and vision insurance through the approval process with their insurance carrier partners. As a part of the team, you'll review, prepare, and submit the customer applications to insurance carriers for approval. So you'll have to type in all the customer information and submit that over to insurance companies. You will also be responsible for reviewing all necessary information, making sure that you have all the application packet completed, and verify proper formatting before submitting the application to the insurance companies. You'll also be expected to identify opportunities to improve the internal process. Now, they are looking for someone who has 1 to 2 years of experience in a customer service or sales role, someone who is highly productive and has good multitasking skills, someone who has a passion for helping people, and the ability to work in a high volume contact center environment. If you have familiarity working with support ticketing systems, that is great, and they need someone who has great oral and written communication skills. As always, comments down below are always welcome. Let me know if you are looking for anything specific, what kind of education or experience that you have. I always read the comments and keep that in mind when I am looking for job leads to share. But with that being said, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.